Start with the name of Allah, who is kind and the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum. Today we again discuss chapter number 2, Programming in C language. In this tutorial, we discuss one of the most important topic of chapter 2. The name of topic is Structure of C program. The format in which program is written is known to be as a structure of program. A C language program consists of three main following parts. First one is preprocessor directives, second is main function, and third one is body of program. What is meant by preprocessor directive? Preprocessor directives written at the beginning of program. It means starting of program. Preprocessor directives are instructions for the compiler help in execution. These directives start from hash sign. Preprocessor directive consists of different library file and header files. When compiler compile the program, it has different types of header file which help in execution. Commonly used preprocessor directives are, you can say that commonly types of preprocessor directives are hash include and hash define. Then second part is main function. Every C program must have a function known as main function. Compiler directly jump to main function for execution. A program may consist of more than one function. The general form of main function is void main void. You can also write void main then two brackets. Here is first void main function does not return any value. Second void main function does not have any argument. These both return values and arguments we briefly discuss in second year chapter of function. Here we just memorize void main void. It is known to be as a main function written after preprocessor directives. Body of program. Statements written after main function and enclosed in curly brackets known as body of program. Any statement terminated in body of program with the help of semicolon. Actually, what function can do, what program can do written in body of program. Now we can say that body of program is the most important part of your program. What program can do, what function specific do must be written in body of program. A simple structure of program given in your textbook on page number 40 for your help. Here I tried to my best to show different parts of C program. For example, hash include stdio.h, hash include conio.h. Simple first line hash include stdio.h known to be as a library file. stdio.h enclosed in less than and greater than sign known to be as a header file which we discussed in previous lecture. If we combine these two lines in programming known to be as a preprocessor directive. For example, here I give you example, my student, my son take class of pre-9, it's mean before 9. So preprocessor mean before process. So these two lines are known to be as a preprocessor written before the main function. Then void main void is known to be as a main function. Then this curly bracket, start curly bracket and end curly bracket. All statements which are enclosed in these brackets known to be as a body of program. For example, printf I love Pakistan, printf Pakistan Zindabad. The output of this program is I love Pakistan and Pakistan Zindabad. Here getCh is an input function which we will describe in a next lecture. One of the most important slide help you understand about the program. Here is different types of symbols, and I try to my best to explain these. Hash indicator signal to compiler be ready for execution. stdio.h, conio.h both are known as header files. .h is a extension file. Then start curly bracket and curly bracket. Semicolon is known to be as a terminator. It means any statement terminate in a body of program must end with semicolon. Then comma is a separator. Hash include and hash define types of preprocessor directives. Wide main wide, two types you can write and main function in a program. Equal is a assignment operator. Printf is the output of function. Scanf input function. Get ch is input function, built-in input function. Then if we join both curly start and end bracket known to be as a delimiters in computer language. In float chart known to be as a data type. Hash include stdio.h and conio.h known to be as a library files. Question for your assignments are define preprocessor directory with types and explain structure of C program. Thank you.